Hello friends, let's learn to draw and color Minnie Mouse. Let's watch the tutorial video while you practice at home. Friend, and I hope you like this video. Thank you. Well, friends, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, friends. Thanks.